Students, welcome to computer class of 2nd standard. Today we are going to start new chapter number 1, computer and electronic device. Our today's objective is to learn about what is a computer and what are the parts of computer. So students, open your book at page number 5 and 6. Let us discuss first topic of the day, that is computer. A computer is an electronic device used to solve problems. The word computer is derived from the Greek word compute, which means to calculate. Next, we are going to discuss parts of computer. A computer has 4 main parts. First, monitor. Second, CPU. Third, keyboard. Fourth, mouse. Let us discuss these parts one by one. First part of computer, we have monitor. Students, as we have already learned, monitor is an output device. It looks like a television. It is used to display images, movies, cartoons, words, numbers, etc. Next part of the computer we have CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is called brain of the computer. Moreover, all the other parts of the computer are connected to CPU by wires. CPU is always kept inside a box which is called CPU box. Students, next we have parts of CPU. A CPU has 3 main parts. First, ALU. ALU stands for arithmetic and logic unit. Here, arithmetic means it is used to perform arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logic means thinking. Next part of CPU we have CU, that is control unit. Control unit works like a traffic policeman and tells other parts of computer what to do. Next part we have MU, that is memory unit. It stores data and information. Students, next we are going to discuss types of CPU. A CPU has 2 types. First one is desktop CPU. Second one is one by one. Desktop CPU. Here, monitor is placed over the CPU. Students, desktop CPU was used earlier in 19th. Next we have tower type CPU. It is kept in standing position. It is seen like a small tower. Students, tower type CPU is used nowadays. Next part of computer we have keyboard. It is an input device. It is used to type text. It looks like a typewriter. It has many buttons called keys. We use these keys to type words, sentences and numbers. Last part of computer which we are going to discuss, that is mouse. It is a pointing device. It has 2 or 3 buttons on its top, as you can look at the figure. It is used to point and select items. Students, today we have learned what is a computer. Computer is an electronic device used to solve problems, and we have also learned what are the parts of computer. There are 4 parts. First, monitor. Second, CPU. Third, keyboard. Fourth, mouse. Hope you understood today's class. Read these topics for better understanding.